everyone that I worked
what?
that I was somebody.
Oh, you are so full of crap. You're 5 feet nothing. 100 and nothing.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. I want everything you got. Come on, keep going. Don't quit on me. Your very best. Keep driving. Keep driving. There you go. Keep going. You hear me? You keep going. You're doing good. You keep going. Do not quit on me. You keep going.
Hell yeah!
Come on. Don't quit. Don't quit. Come on. 2 more. 1 more.
It's gotta be 50. It's gotta be 50. I don't have any more.
Look up, Brock. You're in the end zone.
Busted the 11s! What's up, Mopar family? Today's gonna be a good day. We're gonna do some racing. This is gonna be the last trip to the drag strip for the season for Frostbite. After this, the track is gonna be closing down for the season. It's a Saturday morning. It's about 45 degrees right now, sunny. It's gonna be warming up a little bit, so we should have some decent air. We got a full tank of nitrous. We have the passenger seat removed, the tailgate off, and the sub boxes out of the truck. So this is as prepped as this truck has ever been in its racing career. So I'm hoping for some good numbers today. And yeah, we got the progressive controller installed. So we should be able to get our traction under control out of the starting line. So let's see what happens. Let's try to hit some 11s today, guys. That's my goal. Let's make it happen. All right, guys, we about to run past number 1. It looks like we're racing a Mustang Cobra. Got a Cobra on the fender. I don't know really what kind it is, but let's see if we can make it a good race. We're gonna race on the 100 shot out of the hole on the progressive, with the progressive set at a half-second delay. Woo, sorry guys. That was an adrenaline rush. Holy crap. Holy crap. Let me get this helmet off. Holy shit, that's gonna be a badass time, guys. That is gonna be a badass time. I know it. I know it. That was a dead hook, and it was stupid. It was stupid, guys. We might have to take a little bit more out of that progressive, or add a little bit more to it, because that hooked up so hard. Alright. Holy shit! Hell yeah! Hell yeah, guys! Busted the 11s! 11.821 on a 100 shot, boys! 11.821 on a 100 shot! Hell yeah! Woo! About to have a heart attack. Better calm down. Woo! Goose fiber. Goose fiber, goose fiber. Holy guys, I can't calm down. Holy moly, I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Holy shit. That's awesome. We had a 1.525 60 foot. We ran 11.821 at 112.73 miles an hour, guys. On the 100 shot. Just a 100 shot. With the progressive set at a half second of progressive. It hooked up stupid. I mean, it was so stupid that I might add some more time to the progressive because it hit, it was like beautiful. It just hit so hard. It was stupid. And we smoked the Cobra. I mean, straight smoked the Cobra. Time slip past 1, boys. Boys and girls, there you go. 11.8. 1.5 60 foot on a 100 shot. Out the hole on the new progressive that we just installed. That's with 20 pounds of pressure in my drag radials. No tailgate, no spare or passenger seat, no sway bar, and no subwoofer boxes today. This is the most this truck's ever been prepped. And we just ran a stupid time on a 100 shot on my 5-speed RT Ram. Yes, a 545 5-speed, just went 11.8 with a little bit of nitrous. Can't wait to hit pass number 2 and put some more nitrous in this beast. But we came to do what we was gonna do today. On the first pass, we broke into 11, guys. I'm super stoked. Damn, so stoked. All right, guys, we're about to run pass number 2. We're gonna do it on the same tune-up, 100 shot out of the hole with a half second of progressive delay. And it looks like we're gonna race a nasty Corvette. Should be a good one. Right there, guys, was nothing to brag about. That was a 13.1 with 2.160 foot. I don't know what changed, but we absolutely pulverized the tires when we launched. They were mopping in front of me in my lane at the starting line. They were mopping something up because it took a while for them to let me pull up. So I don't know, I kind of have a feeling there was something on the track right there. Because to have a dead hook on the first pass and then the next pass we completely do the opposite, something changed big time right there, guys. So I don't know, we're gonna try it again. So yeah, guys, here's pass number 2 where we pulverized the tires. Focus. There we go. That was a terrible run. We did the complete opposite as the first pass. So I'm gonna increase the ramp time another half second, so we'll have a full second of progressive ramp this time, and see if that will not shock the tires as much, and see if we can get that to work. And if that works, then we might stay there, and maybe turn it down a little bit more. I don't know. We're about to run pass number 3. We're gonna run it on the 100 shot. We did increase the ramp time a little bit more on the progressive. We went from a half second progressive delay to a full second of progressive delay this time. We adjusted the tire pressure a little bit, and I'm hoping we can make this pass hook up. So let's see what we can do. Let's try to crack another 11, guys. some reason. Guys, we melted the tires off again and got beat by a car we shouldn't have got beat by. I mean, dude, I stayed in it the whole time and we spun the tires the whole time. Oh man, that's depressing. 13.3 at 110, 2.1 60 foot. I mean, we were sideways the whole 60 foot, guys. I didn't even lift on that one. I should have, but we walked it out the whole time until the tires hooked.
You already got your ticket?
All right, guys, there's a slip for our absolute burnout pass. 13, terrible 60 foot, absolutely crazy. And I think I actually found out what the actual problem is with frostbite and the traction after the first pass we had today. I actually had somebody stand behind the truck and watch me do the burnout and the launch, and he said while I did the burnout, it peg-legged the whole time in the burnout box, and then when we launched, it peg-legged on the starting line. That is why we are spinning like crazy all of a sudden. And that's probably what's been going on the last few trips to the drag strip, where we get a good pass the first 2 runs, and then after that, it's just no traction for some reason. So I think that's actually what's going on. I don't want to say it, but I have a feeling the actual diff is probably worn out. I think the clutch packs in the limited slip are probably toast, and they're just not grabbing. So we're a peg leg now. So probably time for a new one. We're gonna try doing a burnout, not in the water box this time. I'm just gonna pull up on the dry land and try to see if I can make both tires grab that way. We'll see, I don't know. But looks like we might be needing a new limited slip here very soon. So it's a good thing, last race of the season, we got all winter to figure out what we want to do with it. But that's probably the problem, guys. So let's get this pass in, see what happens. Looks like we're gonna be racing a black Corvette. If we can get traction and not peg leg, we can probably make it a pretty good race, guys. But here we go. This time, guys. We did get it to grab at least a little bit that time, but I do have a feeling I think the limited slip is toast. 144,000 miles on this truck right now. It's never had one. We've been beating the crap out of it. We put 3 mother bottles of nitrous through this truck this race season. So what more can you ask out of a Mopar part? I think we've got the best out of it, guys. So we're gonna try another one, and we might try to get a motor pass here in a little while also. Here's the time slip for that pass, guys. As you can see, we at least going in the right direction. We're going down. We ran a 12, beat the Corvette. We're gonna keep running the crap out of it until we're out of nitrous or the track closes. So hell yeah. All right, guys, we're about to make the last pass for the night. With the diff being pretty much toast, we're done with nitrous today because this is not going to benefit us. We're going to run this pass on the motor. We're going to race one of our members of the club. She's got an EcoBoost Mustang, pretty much stock. We're going to try to make it close. I'm going to run on the motor. She's going to give it everything she's got. So let's give it a whirl. All right, here we go on the motor, boys. close. That EcoBoost is quick, boys. That EcoBoost is quick. Dude, I really thought you were gonna come and get it. That shit's fast though. That thing's fast. EcoBoost was right next to us through the 60-foot, guys. We did start putting on a little bit more power, and we got, I don't know, about a car, maybe almost a car length ahead of her, and we stayed right there. But that EcoBoost, hey, for 4-cylinder, pretty much stock, 10-speed automatic, that thing's no joke. Hell yeah, guys. So we also just beat our NA pass record. On the motor, on Jay's 100 octane tune, we ran 13.194 at 101.81 miles an hour. We had a 1.8 60 foot. The EcoBoost ran a impressive 13.6 at 98 miles an hour, guys. That thing is bone stock and a 4-cylinder, 10-speed automatic, and that girl can drive that car, that's for sure. She can drive. That was a good fun race, guys. I had a blast with that one. Here's the time slip for the NA pass. I am really impressed with that, guys. Running on the motor, 100 octane J Green tune on my 5-speed Ram. Stock converter. We almost ran a 12 on the motor. Like, I didn't expect it to go that low, guys. I was thinking maybe mid-13s. But yeah, 13.1 at 101. That's pretty badass. And we've never sent him a revision tune for that tune yet because I hardly ever run it. So that's pretty sweet. We broke our quarter-mile record for the day, 11.8 on a 100 shot. And we broke the NA record that I have. That was like a 13.8. Now we're 13.1. Really happy today, guys. So as always, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.